Hi, so today I'm going to be teaching you about inverse functions. Inverse function is when you can switch the domain and ranges in a function, which is just the x and y axes. So, let's say you want to lose 5 pounds in 2 weeks. To do so, you are going to run for an hour every day and do 1,000 push-ups every single day. So, you're going to do push-ups first at 8:30 a.m. and then you're running at 8:30 p.m. So, for inverse functions, you are able to switch the x and y axes. So let's say this is our x axis. Let's say this is our x axis right here, and this is our y axis. If we switch them like this, no matter if you run at 8:30 a.m. or you run at 8:30 p.m., and no matter if you run or if you do push-ups at 8:30 a.m. or you do push-ups at 8:30 p.m., you're still going to lose the 5 pounds in 2 weeks by doing these two things, just like the x and y axis. So now we're going to do a real problem with functions and data tables for the x and y axes. So our function is y equals 2x plus 1. So our x's for this problem on this table are going to be 0, 2, 4, and 6. So we're going to plug 0 in with our x. So 2 times 0 plus 1 equals 1. So you just plug it in like that. So if we're going to plug 2 in for x next, it's going to be 2 times 2 plus 1, which equals 5. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. 6 times 2 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. So one thing that I want you to notice about this is that when you're putting your answers in the y-axis, because that's what y equals, they are increasing by 2's. So first you have 1, and then you have 3, and then you have 5, and then you have 7. That's what they're increasing by. Now, if we were to switch the x and y axes, they decrease by 2's. So first you're decreasing by 1, then you're decreasing by 3, then you're decreasing by 5, and then you're decreasing by 7. You see the pattern? That's how you can switch them.